this thing that slides in there.
Uh-huh. Yes, no, but this is a different. This is like
That's fine with the potatoes.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. I can always come back.
Of course.
So I put the cheese in there to melt.
Yes, cheese will
we
melt.
have our
Then we
little-
put it on top of
Little
the
potatoes.
potatoes.
in there.
And there you have a corns, onions.
We got their other little, the corns are good there, and the
Some
pickles
herbs.
and everything too. So yeah, we're having that. And we have our expert cook, who
Oh, not
is
so expert, but
Brenda. Brenda, she's doing the honors here for me. And this is Ed here waiting for his raclette. It's going to be super tasty here, I know.
I think you're very excited.
And
Yeah.
she's right back with the wines, the vinos back there.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
okay, so it's all heated up. Look at the steam coming off of that, and she's probably going to slice it or something off of
Now
that,
when
I
it
would
starts
guess.
to make the bubbles,
Ah,
we take it
there we
away
go.
and we put it over
Ooh.
the potatoes.
Now she's going to slice that off. Ah, there we go. Put that bad boy down on the plate on top. And that looks like excellent
like that.
there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.